Welcome to Fashion Reel channel. As always, this is the place all things fashion. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. We appreciate that much. Do you wish to look stylish and classy at all times, regardless of the occasion? Get step-by-step instructions on how to look stylish every day. There are a few basic rules to follow in order to strategically select products for your exquisite wardrobe that make you feel confident every day. Number 1. Wear neutral colors like black, white, or beige. Secondly, wear clothes in solid colors. Thirdly, monochrome always looks chic. Number 4. Wear matching colors like beige and camel. 5. Opt for simple matching jewelry in gold. Number 6. Stick to neutral makeup and hair colors. 7. Look for tops with thick straps. And lastly, invest in timeless pieces like trench coats. If you want to look elegant and classy, start by wearing classic forms of clothing such as knee-length skirts and tailor button-down shirts, and selecting high-quality fabrics such as silk and satin. An exquisite woman's clothes is never too baggy or too tight. It seems as though it was tailored specifically for her. If you're on a budget, go for luxury jersey and stretch materials. If you can afford it, have everything customized to meet your proportions. A nicely tailored blazer or tuxedo trousers exude elegance. The following 10 items make ladies look more expensive and elegant. Cashmere, turtlenecks, blazers, silk dresses, cardigans, black trousers, bottom-up blouses, designer handbags, scarves, sunglasses, pearls, and then diamonds.